Hello again, future developers. So another tutorial continuation on our pandas profiling. Sorry, pandas exploratory data analysis. So here, this project, what we have here is df.country equals United States. So it's going to give us a Boolean value. So of the indexing here is false because we don't have any country with this index in the United States. That's as our document or our data set is concerned. So df.country equals United States of America, false, false, false. Okay. So let's try that with our document here. So our data set here. So ours is going to be df dot df dot name. Remember we have a name column, df dot name, then equals then our parentheses, and then let's go to our document and let's say we um, want in our name column, let's say Africa. So let's take Africa. I'm going to paste it here. Then let's run it. Okay, so you can see false, 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 false. It's only true since Helena is true. Okay, so we can do that for another country. Let's say um, Europe. Let's try Europe. Europe. Sorry. Let's check the data set first and see the correct spelling. Okay, let's say okay, so the E stuff. So Europe. I'm going to paste it here. Control V. Let's run it and then you can see so false, 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 and then Russian Federation we have true. Turkmenistan we also have true. Okay, so there's something that we can do using this equals property or like operation. Okay. Okay, so looking at this df.country equals United States inside a square bracket, you can see it has given us a frame and a frame compared to this one which gave us boolean. Okay, so this gave us a frame and then listed the columns, sorry, the rows which the United States. Okay, so let's try that here. So here we want to do df square brackets df dot name, and then we are going to do equals. Then let's put Europe again, Europe. Then let's run it. Okay, so you can see Europe. We have the Europe column. So name, in the name column we have the Europe here. Okay, Russian, France, Turkey, Spain, and the likes, and then their values. Okay, so it can help you to know like you're working within the Europe category or data section or data sets for like the data section or the particular columns and then rows for Europe. So similarly, you can change it to Africa. Let's run it and see. So you can see Africa, Ethiopia, Kenya, Zambia. Okay, I can see Ghana. Okay, so let's see Ghana. Newly reported 7 days per 1,000 population. Let me see Ghana. We have 0. Okay, so you can just input values here from last per the data sets values that you have. Okay,